I'm Justin Miller with the Chong Group. We've got an open house going on here at 6400 Farness in the Skystone neighborhood, Saturday and Sunday, October 27 and 28. Come take a look. So please come check out the open house, 6400 Farness in the Skystone neighborhood of the Cliffs. Please make sure you come to the open house first and check in with us. That way we can make sure we can take care of your needs with regard to the open house, with regard to any of the other homes or home sites at Skystone. We look forward to seeing you at the open house, and we'll have some treats there as well. Please check out our YouTube channel for additional information on the Skystone neighborhood and the Cliffs village of Summmerlin. Please also look at our website, chongmillergroup.com. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you.